We grew up under the stars, our shared skies, connected. In my memories, starlight shimmered off still lakes to create endless African night skies. Inspiration came from the teachings of our mothers, fathers, teachers, role models, where our rich cultural heritage was interwoven with a budding scientific understanding. Our astronomy journey had begun. In Africa, we grew. The animals, the people, the infrastructure, our culture. In school, we learned what it was to be an astronomer. We gathered our knowledge and strove to break new ground. We challenged and learned and built. And our understanding reached new heights, driving our endless curiosity for the unknown. Today, Africa rises to share our knowledge with the world. We innovate, connect, constantly pushing boundaries. We understand we have one world to live in and strive for a sustainable future for all, inclusive and in touch with our environment. Because Ubuntu, we are all one. We are all Africa. And we welcome you.